This video provides steps on how to construct bar chart. Also provided in this video are data for a sample of 50 brands of soft drinks purchased. To construct a bar chart, we select cell C2D6. Select the Insert tab. At the chart options, choose Insert column chart. Select Clustered column. On the chart area, select the chart title and rename to Bar Graph of Soft Drink Purchases. With your selection still on the chart area, at the chart tool, choose the Design tab. Select Quick Layout. Choose Layout 9. Change the horizontal axis title to Soft Drink. Also, change the vertical axis title to Frequency. Select the vertical value axis and double-click. At the units, change the measure to 5. Also at the Design tab, select Change Color and choose Color 3. Also choose the style to be Style 9. Presented in this video is the bar graph of soft drink purchases.